Hey guys, thanks for watching, and this is short step-by-step video. And during this video I'd like to share tricks and tips and crucial moments how to achieve a nice round line. Before you start, you should choose direction of your cut line. Based on your decision, you will take the first section and the following as well. Start from the central pattern. Crucial moment. You should always mirror your patterns. The best way how to control your cut line around the face is work in fingers. From the temporal zone, control your section with a comb. Note: elevation and over direction are not allowed in this technique. Continue in the same manner. There are many ways how to cut this shape, but this one, in my opinion, is the easiest way how to achieve nice round line. Behind the ear, slightly round the cut line to the central pattern. Repeat the same technique on the opposite side. While rub drying, try to find and create natural volume. After rub drying, you can use styler or brush, it's up to you. Now, spend enough time for outline. Hi there, I'm Sergey Zaranko and I hope you liked this short step-by-step video, and if you haven't seen my previous video, please feel free and check them out on my YouTube channel. If you have questions, feel free and leave comments below. I hope you are subscribed on my YouTube channel, and thanks for your time, thanks for watching. I hope see you soon during my next video. Thank you, bye bye.